Hello and welcome to Adobe Max. This is our first East Coast and largest Max ever. We're excited to share all the innovations we're working on, and there is some seriously cool stuff.
First thing I need to do is clean up this image. We got some cables in the way, some wires, we need to get rid of these. There's an even faster way to do this now with the brand new Find Distractions one-click removal wires and cables. Check this out!
Adobe has this awesome new tool called Project Neo, an accessible way to create 3D.
I was talking about adjusting the lighting on the fly. Over here, all we gotta do is move a lever down. Hey.
I got a fresh new tool today in today's beta called Generative Extend. Okay, check this out. This is to extend video and audio. Ready for this? Ooh, where there was nothing, now there is something. This is so incredible.
If you need to, whoever's using this, you need to pick a font or some colors or whatever. I'm gonna make sure it stays on brown so I can have these guardrails in place. Fantastic, and I get to bed at a decent hour because I'm offloading a ton of work.
We have this awesome tool here called Objects on Path. Check this out, I just click on this ring right here. What will Objects on Path do with something this difficult? Let's see, boom!
I want to go beyond Photoshop and really amp this up. Here I am in Express. One easy way to do it is animate all, because I want it to dance, I want it to come to life, you know.
Your capacity to create magic and realize what's in your mind's eye is limitless.
And with that, just have a great Max. See you back here tomorrow.